Hi beauties, welcome back to our channels. But the Lisa Frank X Morphe, or I should say Morphe X Lisa Frank collection, I didn't get the full collection because I sold out super fast, but I was able to snag these two palettes. They are pretty much the same palette, it's just different packaging. But if you're like an 80s, 90s, even a 2000s kid, you know who Lisa Frank is. She's near and dear to your heart. She had anything from like notebooks, trapper keepers, stickers, pens, pencils, I'm pretty sure a million more things. So I wanted to sit down, I wanted to play with one of these. I'm going to set one of these aside, probably give it as a Christmas gift to one of my nieces or nephews, or even my little sister. I think I'm actually going to end up using this one because I absolutely love it. Okay, but I also wanted to, because my whole face is done, I wanted to sit down and have a little life update while I do my makeup, kind of like a chit chat, get ready with me, and then just remind you guys of the giveaway that is going on. So if you do want to be included in that, I'll throw up a giveaway picture here. I'm probably going to put it on Instagram, I want to say like before Christmas, so people can see and have a chance to enter. All you have to do is like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then we also are on TikTok now. It's mainly just like our animal videos. If you guys are new here, you know how much I love my animals and how much of a big part they already are. I'll put that in the description box, and then we do have an Instagram and a Twitter. All those are bonus entries if you want to be part of the giveaway. Everything will be down below in the description box. I am filming in my Christmas PJs. I actually got two sets for me and my boyfriend. His kind of matches mine, as the penis gang around the tree, but he has like the green sleeves, which are really cute, and then we're actually saving another matching pair of PJs to wear on Christmas. I thought that would be like super like cute and adorable, but also like dorky but fun. Okay, so I'm going to pull this one out of the box, and we're going to set that other one to the side because, like I said, I'll probably give that as a Christmas present. How are you guys doing on your Christmas presents? Did you guys get everything already? Are you running late like me? I think I have like 2 more people to shop for, but I think I'm pretty much done. So I wouldn't say I'm actually that late. Here's what the palette looks like. This is their 35B palette. I know it was around before. They just kind of revamped it in the Lisa Frank. I would say like packaging. And here's what it looks like completely unfolded. I really want to do like a Christmas themed makeup look today, inspired for obviously December and my outfit. Okay, so I do have my brush little pouch that I always keep with me. It's like a mix of like Jeffree Star, Morphe, Jaclyn Hill. They're just brushes that I use and absolutely love all the time. But I think I want to stick to like using like a green and a white for the lid, and then maybe some pop of red at the bottom. I don't know, let's play with it. Let's chit chat and see where we actually go with it. I am going to start with priming my eyes. I'm using the Naked Skin Urban Decay. If you guys don't know what that concealer is, it's been around for a very long time. I actually have just repurchased this because I fell in love with it again, especially for under my eyes and also setting my actual eyes. Because as Nikki Tutorials will say, to not prime is a crime. Okay, so while I am priming my eyes, just want to chit chat, but also some really fun and exciting stuff with the makeup world. So I don't know, maybe let's just start with the fun stuff. I'm bulk filming today, so I will not be filming all the videos in my PJs, but I think I got some new stuff from Forever 21 that I want to try on, but I want to do a haul video. So I want to do like a massive haul video because I got a bunch of stuff for like Candle Day that was yesterday when I'm filming. So anyways, you'll probably see it at a different time. Let me make sure I got everything. My brows are pretty concealed because I kind of carved those out. But I bought a bunch of stuff from Jeffree Star. He had like that week-long like Black Friday, Cyber Monday, or weekend long, not week long. But I got a bunch of stuff. I'm still waiting on like a very big box to come from him, but I got some things which have been sitting here for a few days because I've been really busy and trying to get to filming, and I finally have time. So I think I might do a separate video for him, and then just do like a massive haul like with my Bath and Body Works stuff. I got some stuff from Forever 21, some stuff for Anastasia. A lot of the stuff I actually picked up on Black Friday, but like the Candle Day stuff is going to be different. You guys heard about the new Jeffree Star mystery boxes? There's 4 of them this time. Pretty expensive. I actually did the math. If you were to buy all 4 of them, you'd probably spend close to $400. So, all right, so the first shade that I kind of want to start off with is I really, like I said, want to play with some greens. So I really want to play with this first shade. It's called Zoomer and Zorbit. Now there is kickback in the pan. I guess some people don't care, some people do, but I'm going to mention it anyways, just to satisfy everyone. And I'm just placing this on the outer portion of my eye like I always do, and then just gradually build inward. My cat's in here. She's kind of destroying everything right now. She's making that her personal mission. So fun for me. Okay, I gotta rescue my cat. Be right back. Duchess, she likes to, if you guys watch TikTok, or if you guys been around for a while, I know who Duchess is. She likes to get into small areas and then get stuck. So she starts crying, so I had to go rescue her. I was using the JH15. I'm going to pick up the JH30 and just kind of blend this out a little bit. I did order more stuff for like Black Friday. It's just not here, and I really want to film, so maybe we'll do like a part 2. I'm not sure. Let me know if you guys want to see that. Obviously, after you see the first one. I'm just going to blend this out just a little bit more. So good news first, but I've been recently promoted. I'm learning, there's different loan programs. If you're, I'm not going to try and bore you guys, but I'm like learning all of the loan programs to be a processor. So I'm probably going to start actually being a processor, which is a huge jump in pay. So I'm really excited, but it's a lot more work. So you have to kind of take them like, you know, as a two-sided sword. And it's more time consuming. I'm also picking up, I'm sorry, I forgot to mention, the same brush that I was using before, JH15 on Forest. I'm just going to start building out the outer portion of the eyes. I want it to be really green, white, and silvery up here. And then I want to do maybe like a red down at the bottom, like I said, like super Christmassy, and I want it to be cute because I'm probably going to wear it for my other videos. Just building up this outer portion with Forest. Just kind of like blending it right in between the lid and the crease. Getting promoted to become a full-fledged processor, so I'm really excited. It's a double-edged sword because it's more work, but a hell of a more bigger bonus, so you kind of have to take that in stride, and I've been able to learn everything so fast and quickly. I've been doing such a great job. I'm like number 3 in the entire company, which is like amazing because I'm working my ass off. Like, I work Monday through Friday, but I'm actually picking up an additional 8 hours today and 8 hours tomorrow, like almost 60 hours overtime every week. So 60 hours in total for hours every week, because it's like really busy right now. Okay, let me just clean that up a ton. I want to pick up some more of that first shade, Zoomer and Zorbit. Okay, see, now that is looking really smoked out and really pretty. I'm actually really liking how this is turning out so far. Okay, so we're gonna just do what we did here to here. I don't know how I'm gonna try and pull this off, but I actually want to cut the crease today because it's a lot of green. I really want to showcase a lot of white on my eyes. I haven't cut my crease in a very long time. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to talk and cut the crease at the same time. I'm actually using brush JH37, and I'm gonna pick up that, actually I want to pick up Saturn Sunday. That's cute. It's this little shade right here. It's in between the Zoomer and Zubert and then the Forest shade. I'm just gonna take it and take it a little bit on the ends here to kind of like cover this up a little bit and marry those two shades together. So it kind of has like an ombre fade effect. Okay, so then we're gonna pick up this Buzz shade right here, and I'm just using a JH46 shade. Or, I'm sorry, brush. Looks like this on the brush. It's actually really pigmented. And I'm just gonna like actually put this in my waterline. Just gonna stamp it in there. I'm gonna take this little orange shade down here. It's called Hunter, and I just want to drag it under the eye. I'm really glad I did the green on top. Okay, so I'm just gonna smoke out my bottom lash line. Is that a lot of red or is it cute? I like it anyways. I'm gonna pop off camera. I'm gonna throw on some wing liner and some lashes, and I'll be right back with the final look and final thoughts. All right, so I got the eyeliner on. I got everything pretty much put on. I'm just putting on some false lashes. Okay, so I got the other lash on. I'm just gonna fix my eyeliner a tad, like a smidge. I feel like I kind of bumped it a little. The lashes. Okay, and then for the lips, I really wanted to do a red. This is kind of like a warmer red. I really like it. It's from the Hocus Pocus collection, the Sandersons, with ColourPop. And I think this is actually Winifred's shade. Oh, yeah. That's giving vibes. I like it a lot. I did not use the lip liner, but I absolutely love this red. I think it's super pretty. Okay, so this is the final look that I created. Like I said, I wanted to be Christmassy, in inspiration for the month that we're in, and then also my cute pajamas that I'm wearing today. What did I think about the palette? I love the packaging. I love Lisa Frank. Was I wanting more, maybe a different palette in each sleeve? That would have been cool. That would have been awesome. It kind of sucks that they sold out so quickly. There was a little kickback in the pan, but ultimately pigmented, blendable. I love it. I would repurchase it. I'm comfortable giving it as a gift. So this is definitely a yes for me. And she's probably going to hang out with me for a very long time. I absolutely love this one. So thank you so much for chit-chatting with me. Thank you so much for watching. Enter our giveaway. Until the next video, stay beautiful, stay sexy.